Hi everyone and welcome to Minnesota. My name is Erica Ross. I am one of the recruiters aligned to our Technology and Development Program. As you can see, we are standing in front of our corporate building here in Eden Prairie, and I'm going to be showing you around today. First stop is going to be parking. Parking is located on the east side of our building and is free and accessible to everyone. Follow me as we go check out the rest of the building. When you arrive on your first day, you will be required to check in with the security desk. I am currently standing on the east side of our building, which is home to the Optum Auditorium, as well as our East Conference Center. So before we head on over to the west side of the building, which is where you'll be primarily, let's make a stop at the Smart Spot. Jeff, can you tell us about the Smart Spot?
Yeah, of course. This was created as an in-office way for anyone who can make it in to have their computers, mobile phones, hardware, software, any issues you may be having. We can fix it here for you on the spot.
I am standing in the cafeteria. The cafeteria is open for breakfast and lunch, and it caters to several different types of food sensitivities. There's a variety of food options to choose from. We also have a convenience store on site, as well as a caribou for all your coffee needs. So at this point, I'm sure you might be wondering, do we have a gym on site? The answer is yes. Let's go check it out. Here at the gym, you'll find most things that you'll find at any other fitness center, from weights to cardio to group classes like yoga or spin. And here's the best part, it's free, all steps from your desk. Another great amenity is our wellness center. I'm here with Katie. Katie, can you tell us about the well?
Absolutely. The Well is a full primary care clinic, so we can do annuals as well as biometrics, so we can get you those rewards. And then we have 2 registered dietitians available to help with any nutrition questions, help manage chronic conditions with that nutrition side, along with our primary care provider as well.
Sounds good. Thanks, Katie. All right, so we finally made it to the west side of the building. This is where the West Conference Center is. There's plenty of huddle rooms that you can utilize. We have a ping pong table. Feel free to use that at your leisure, during your breaks, in your downtime. But this pretty much wraps up our Minnesota tour. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you so much for choosing Optum as part of your career journey, and we hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.